Hi, this is Amy with Slices of Pie. If this is the first time you've caught one of our shows, we travel the United States full time in our RV. Now I want to ask you a question. What's your favorite sports car? Because I can tell you what mine is, a Corvette. And we just happen to be at the National Corvette Museum here in Bowling Green. I'm so excited. Why don't you come in with me? We'll see what we find. This car is super sexy, a 1970 Stingray in a color I've never seen before. Check it out. There is an admission to tour the museum. They offer a $5 discount if you are retired or active or veteran, whatever. We paid a little bit extra to take a guided tour, which starts in about 25 minutes. And so overall, the two of us with a guided tour, probably around $40 with tax. We're looking forward to this.
There's a kid area in here, and that's, when I say kids, I mean of all ages, but it's a Hot Wheels racing area here. They have like little cars and tracks, and you can just like
Here he comes.
Race cars down them. Here we go. Let's watch this dude race some cars. Oh. Just like any other museum, when you come out, you're in a gift shop. And I think Amy might have to buy a hat that says Corvette on it. She loves her hats. Did you find one?
Which one? Which one should I get? This is super cute. It says Corvette, but this is orange and it's trucker. No. Ooh.
All right, so we just finished the tour a little bit ago. did the gift shop thing. Amy bought a bunch of swag.
I did.
The tour was probably about an hour, and we had to wear little earbuds and walk through. It was a guided tour. It was really informational. Talked a lot about the history of Corvette. It talked about the sinkhole that happened here years ago. And we were actually really surprised that like this car behind us, less than 100 grand.
It's
So,
beautiful. The inside has red leather interior, my favorite.
Yeah.
I've decided, by the way, I'm getting it.
and we're getting to that.
In my opinion, the tour was worth the $5 extra it cost us.
$5.
You know what? The people that work here, they aren't GM employees. They're volunteers who love Corvettes. So they kind of just bring a whole layer of appreciation to the experience and a ton of knowledge. Like they know about everything going on in here. Totally worth it.
So guys, if you like this video, shoot us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell, send us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Also, check out our food channel. We go around the country rating food joints, and it's called Best Food Review Road Trip. I'll put a link to it down below. In fact, we're gonna go over and check out the food joint that's connected to the museum.
Grill.
The Stingray Grill. Maybe we'll do a review on that. Anyway, until next time, guys. See ya.